In the tech world, WebOS has gotten a bad rap. But in truth, WebOS was never really the problem. It was always the hardware it was stuck in. And that's never been more evident now that WebOS is flourishing as LG's smart TV platform. WebOS fixes what smart TV has struggled with for years. With conventional smart TVs, the smart part had always been locked away in a separate box. And that meant you had to wait a long time for things to load, you couldn't run more than one app at a time, and you couldn't switch between the apps with any kind of speed. WebOS has the potential to fix all those problems and more, but it was never built for smart TV, so it still needed some help being adapted, and along the way, it needed a facelift too. LG counted on its newly acquired WebOS team to make that happen, and they came through. The WebOS team started by taking a huge step back and figuring out what its guiding principles would be.
We wanted to make TV simple again. It's a very simple battle cry. And that was the goal of what we did with WebOS. The idea is everybody can understand time. Past, present, future. If you want to go back, you go one side. If you want to go forward, it's the next. And we don't tell users this anywhere on the interface. There's no past, present, future labels. But it's just really easy to understand. And we see that often that people just get it.
And by extension, its new interface came out feeling more like TV should feel. But what's really exciting, especially for LG, is that WebOS is open architecture, so anyone can work with it. And LG has added something new that could completely transform how we use our mobile devices with our televisions.
Knight SDK is really a piece of technology that different developers can use to make their mobile applications talk really easy to different TVs out there.
Connect SDK solves two problems for the developer. First, it allows discovery of devices on the network, whether it's your LG Smart TV, your Roku, or your Chromecast. The second thing it does is it creates a translation layer. So for a developer, they just have to write one line of code, let's say launch video, and then Connect SDK will translate that into the equivalent commands on different systems such as Roku, WebOS, Chromecast, and others.
So say, if you're a picture application and you want to share this picture to the TV, all you need to do is to say, hey, share picture to TV. And on the back end, we sort of decide what kind of TV it is, which platform it is, and then we help, send the right commands to the TV to show that appropriate picture.
Not only does WebOS look and feel the way we've always hoped smart TV would, it also holds promise for the future, inviting developers to bring in groundbreaking new apps and potentially changing the way we watch by letting our mobile devices become real content discovery and control tools. And one thing is very clear, LG has just raised the bar big time for its competitors. This can only mean we'll see big innovations in the very near future.